So this section here is going to be the hinged piece that flops back to make the top end of the bed, but this rail needs to go in here to support it. Its strength is going to come from a brace on the side that needs to get screwed into the existing frame. So we're going to have to build some sort of custom bracket here. I've got a plan in mind, let's see if it works. Right, so Toby just kind of finished the back bench to show you how it works, eh? So this is screwed into the frame. It's bracketed up and then there's a bracing post in the middle. Now this whole section is on a hinge so that when we haul the chairs forward, look at the chair. Twist. Now our bed should fold all the way out. God, I'm a smart bastard. Research shows if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Went down well on the telly, war is good. If it happens in Syria, it's not very serious. And when it happens to everybody, it's delirious. We're not a war, we're in down now. There's no east and peace, back peace, I don't know. The line is a flag, right? Too busy sitting back, what's your next black cloud? Sitting on a flag, right? To give up, I know what I find, but it gets out your mind. So slats are all in and they slide out. It's a bit tight and slides back to form the chair section, and then obviously at the back we were talking about before, this now folds down when the seats are forward to make the finished bed. The cupboards I've already done, but the phone died when I was doing the video cutting them out, so all I did is use a jigsaw to like I've made a stencil out of cardboard and then used the jigsaw to kind of cut it out to match. I'm going to make some custom brackets that are going to fit into the existing screw holes, but yeah. The continuity of these videos is all over the place, but just wanted to outline all the framework. There's all cupboards that need to go in the back, the plywood lining, the kitchen towel that pulls out, so we will see. Stay tuned, boys and girls. Part 4 coming soon. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and I'll catch you on the flip. Peace.